Hi, today we're going to be taking an unboxing review of XTREME USB cable sync and charge 2-in-1 connection. So there's the USB cable, there's the Lightning cable adapter, and the standard micro cable. And you see it says made for iPhones, iPad, iPod, and then we see a little Android there. Keyring, Lightning connection, and micro USB. On the back, here's what it's going to look like. And then here's a list of all the phones for Apple. So from the first, it says from iPhone X or 10, because some people's like, it's iPhone X. And other people's like, no, it's the one new for 10, iPhone 10. So X10, 8, 8 Plus, 7, 7 Plus, SE. I don't remember SE. 6S, 6S Plus, 6 Plus, then 5S, 5C. First time that they had a C instead of an S or S Plus. 5, then iPads, and Pros, and Airs, and 4th gen, and Touch. For like iPods, or it's going to be iPod Touch 6th gen and 5th gen. And then you have iPads mini and stuff. So, yeah. I can't remember the exact price I paid for this. I want to say something about 7 maybe? I bought it over at Menards, but price-wise I just can't exactly remember how much this one was. So, hashtag my XTREME, followed up on social media to enter in for a chance for free monthly giveaways. So here's what it's going to be in, kind of this faux leather. I really thought that this was going to be a little bit thicker type of material, but it's very, very thin. Just a spring-loaded keyring connection right there. I guess you should have the Lightning cable connected to the micro cable if you are going to store it in here. Of course, it will get a little bit dusty right here, as you can see. Don't know why they couldn't like reinforce the joints up there or something, because then all you have to do is just pull it out, put it in. Now you can, but you can't really move this that much. You know, it comes out, and there is a little slot in there. I mean, you could, but I wouldn't, because then you won't be able to get it back in there. Unless you just move it out of the way a little bit, like this. And then why not? Let's just connect that into there and pull that one off of there. And as you can see, phone on, it's charging. So, does it do its job? Yep, it does the job. It's just something that's a little neat and handy little thing. What would this be good for? If you're traveling. Pop it in your suitcase, pop it on your backpack, you know. So, you know how some backpacks, even some laptop cases, has that little section there that you can put your keys on, which, why would you put your keys on there? You put them in your pocket, put them in your purse, you know. That's why I'll put this on. One of those. If it fits. Because, I mean, this wing, it's not like the standard split wings that you find, you know, usual keychains. It is a bed fit spring-loaded wing. But if it fits, yeah. This way, you know, you always have this handy. Of course, more than likely, you want to have one of these on you. but just in case you need a quick smaller cable to charge up your device with one of these if you lost the other end of the cable. Excuse me. Or, you know, you just need to transfer something real fast. I'm a guy that's like always a data guy. I always got some type of cords or cables on me. Where it's like, hey, I need a lightning one. I just need to charge that real fast. It's like, okay, I got a power supplier. I don't have a lightning, like 6-foot cable on me, bud. Hey, it has a lightning adapter and stuff. Let me go grab the other one here that I was carrying on. Yeah, I was carrying this little one on me that I got from a little convention. Expo type of deal. This one's from AAA. Although it doesn't really work. And what I mean by it doesn't work is the USB for my phone, not USB, but the micro one. These two work, but unfortunately the lightning one doesn't work because they forgot to put one little metal plates in there to make the connection. On this side, on the other side, there's no little metal connection points at all. You let a standard lightning cable. As you can see, there's connections on that side and on the other side. So dual side connections on real lightning cable. This one, no, it's just a fake little thing. I guess it's more for a dust cover than anything else. But yeah, these two definitely work. So let me put this in. At least they were working a while ago. So yep, definitely it works. I just figure keep it, a little bit more neater and cleaner. Instead of having all these cords dangling down like this, and you can see how they're bending, I could have them like this, kind of tucked in there. Well, I just have this one little cord hanging out versus all these. I'm still going to carry this one along with this one, but, this way if someone does need a lightning cable. Lightning cable unlike this one, which is a nothing cable. So yeah, links down below in the description, But yeah, don't forget to hit that notification bell, the like button, the sub button, and leave a comment down below. Alright, thanks, bye.